Changing your phone number on a Discord account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account. Step 2. Access user settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen next to your username to open user settings. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the user settings menu, select the My Account tab from the list on the left side to view your account details. Step 4. Update phone number. Scroll down to the phone section and click on Edit. Enter your new phone number and follow the prompts to verify it, usually by entering a code sent to your new number. Step 5. Save changes. Once your new phone number is verified, ensure you click the Save Changes button to update your account information. After completing these steps, your phone number will be successfully updated on your Discord account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Discord's Help Center for further assistance.